Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. I am going to be reading from the I Am deck. This time I haven't covered the deck at all. And I'm going to be playing the Golden ZenTube today. As you come into the live, please say yes to me holding space for you and for me working with your energy with the sound. And let's connect now and let's do a reading for this group and see what comes up for us all. So I know that it's 3:09 p.m. and I will just say that my intention was to get here, and a lot of things have happened this day, and they've happened the way they should have. And it's just been that I've been able to get here today at this time. So I'm just going with the flow of it, and I'm loving it. And hi, Rosie, you will get a reading today for sure. Let's pull out the group reading first, and then I will do your personal reading afterwards. Let's see what's coming up for all of us. So it's been a really cool day. So I've had Reiki, and it was a super fast Reiki session with Stephanie, and I am actually healing and reconstructing my DNA. She was going into my chakras and she saw that DNA healing occurring. And we ended up having a really nice talk about gratitude, about attracting the things that we have been waiting for and wanting to attract, and having things come in, and noticing that things are coming in easily and faster than we thought they would come in. And this healing, actually, I requested last night. And the fact that I got it through Stephanie, the message that my DNA is healing itself, is a wonderful thing. And she's like my younger sister to me. I hold her in that regard. And I constantly send blessings to her because I love her. And I know she loves me too. So it's just like a very symbiotic relationship, it's a loving symbiotic relationship. And I just love her. So I'm trying to fill in with conversation that's relevant. However, I'm not able to pull anything out of this deck yet. So maybe a little bit of concentration on pulling out the reading would be a good idea here. So let's all concentrate and give ourselves some deep breaths. Just to clear out our energies. And this feels right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards today for our reading, our group reading. And here we go. I'm a clear channel for spirit. Oh, that is so powerful. That just means that your energy is so clear that you're bringing in spirit and you're feeling in all the messages that spirit is sending to you, and you're connecting with it. And as you're connecting with it, you are attracting it into your energy. And feel that happening, because things are happening a lot quicker on this earth now than ever before. And you're bringing it in, and feel it, feel it. I take full responsibility for my life. So yes, I take full responsibility for my life. And everything is as it should be. And it's all working for my best. Yes. My world is thriving in peace and harmony. And what's really beautiful is as this card is coming out, the sun outside is coming out. So it's been raining in Manchester these last 3 days. So just now, I got this ray of sunshine coming through my window. And that's just telling me it's clearing out. Whatever was here that was meant to be cleared out has cleared out. And the sun is now coming in. And we are solar beings. And we love the sun. And the sun is coming out to greet us. And if you can get any sort of break time to just be outside and step into that afternoon sun and just receive from the sun, because there is sacred geometry coming down, energies coming down to us, see codes from the sun, wanting to intermingle with our energy and also connect in with the earth and just create this symbiotic relationship between the sun, the earth, and our own energy. Creating it, we are the vessel for it. We are able to be the ones to take that solar energy and connect it to earth energy and recreate it into this beautiful energy that we send out into the world. My mind is sharp and clear. And look at that, the light is just focusing. Did you see how all of a sudden the light was just so strong and coming in? My mind is sharp and clear. Your mind is like a light bulb and you're seeing the positive thoughts of clarity and all the things that are coming in for you. My mind is sharp and clear. I always make the right choice. So know this, have no recriminations on any choice that you make, because when you do it through intuition, you're always making the right choice. So the choice itself was the right choice. And when you're open to the contributions that you be and to all the energies that you're pulling in for yourself, you're opening to it and you're embodying it and you're being it. You're getting all that flow coming into you of all the choices, of all the options. And you just make the choice. And you always make the right one. So I love that. That's a great group reading. And here we go, Rosie. Let's connect, you and me. Connect with me. And let's see what we're bringing in for you today. So it's definitely the group reading. And then whatever else shows up. And whatever gets pulled. And here you go. This is 4 cards. So here we go. Expanding energy card. So you can expand out the group energy and also these next 4 cards. Oh, expanded energy card. Wow. All right. So that means that these 2 things are really powerful for you to expand out along with the group reading. So I trust and surrender and let the current of life carry me. So that's really important because it's sort of like going with the flow. So allowing and surrendering to whatever is coming into your day. And if you need to feel compassion for yourself, if you need to feel love for yourself, just allowing all of that in so nothing really gets to a huge trigger point. You're just flowing in your day. Someone gives some bad news and you're like, okay, source, bless, send blessings to that person. Hope that person is in a better place in time, a little bit later. Send them compassion, send them blessings, send them hugs, whatever you need to send to make you feel good, and go with the flow of it. Just go with the flow. So someone's not having a good day, something negative propped up for somebody. Okay, send them blessings. Hope for something better for them. But don't change your flow, and just trust and surrender and just let your life continue in the flow. Don't get triggered by anything because it's not yours. I am balanced and grounded. So as you're trusting and surrendering, when you're balanced and grounded, this happens so much more easier for you. So know that you're balanced and grounded. And as you know this, you know that you can trust and surrender and go with the flow, because the balanced and grounded allows you to be more connected to your energy, to source, and to Mother Earth, and know that you're not triggered by anything in the moment, and you're trusting and surrendering and allowing life to just be and to carry you through it, through your day. It's a Friday. Relax, chill out. And that's like, you're expanding that out. Okay? So just be in it, be with the flow. And then also with the group energies, always know you make the right choice. So there's nothing here that's going to trigger you. And you're a clear channel for spirit. So you already know what's coming in for you. And you take full responsibility for your life. So that's great. And your world is full of peace. It's thriving and it's full of peace and harmony. Your mind is sharp and clear, and you know you're not getting triggered. And you'll always make the right choice. And you're trusting and surrendering to being. So let me know how that feels for you, Rosie, as we're going into the sound session today. And as we're going into that, I'm going to ask you all to take some deep breaths and go into deep breathing mode. You can sit or you can lie back and just be in deep breathing mode as I take this time for caution, and for those of you who are driving and operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later so that you are in a safe place and you can really go into silence, close your eyes, and meditate, because the sound harmonics will put you in a meditative state. And you are in a state right now where you need to concentrate. So I'm asking for you to be safe for yourselves and just listen to the sound later. For those of you with the pacemaker, please do not listen to this sound session because it will adjust your pacemaker. So for your own safety, it's best for you to leave now. For those of you who are currently pregnant and working on the highest form of creation that you can do, which is create a baby, please speak to your doctors about how they feel about sound harmonics and using it at this time in this mode of creation. I would caution you and just say that working on this creation is the best creation that you can do in a lifetime. So allow yourself to take space away from sound and sound harmonics and just work on the creation of your baby. And once your baby is born, come back to it and start clearing and releasing even more so. But right now, it's all about creating that baby to be the healthiest baby it can be. So no need to do anything else besides creation in those 9 months, right? To be at the peak of your creation mode, to create the healthiest baby you can. And coming back after that's done. And seeking your own self-development after that. being in peace and harmony and in creation and loving in that mode. And so I would ask you to also leave this session. For those of us who are staying, and if you haven't said yes to allowing me to work with your energy, I ask for that yes. So I can hold space for you and actually work with the sound, with your energy. And I'm hoping in this moment that you've taken deep breaths and that you've connected into your energy and bringing your higher self in, into your heart, into your physical body, into your energy bodies, into your aura, into your auric container, into your physical environmental space container, grounding into Mother Earth, sending grounding cords into her 5D crystalline core and connecting into her heart and bringing into your body the beautiful energy of love and light and the beauty of her thriving energy coming through, guiding in her guidance to you and her support and love for you. Feeling that moving through your physical body, through your cells, through your energy bodies, through your aura and your auric container, and your physical environmental space container. And then now, asking all of your teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, bringing in all your teams of elementals and your teams of light, energy, sound, vibration, frequency, bringing them all in, bringing your galactic teams, your starseed teams. If you don't know what they are, that's fine. You don't have to bring them in. But if you know that you're a starseed, bring them in. Bring in the Palladian teams, bring in your Sirius teams, the Arcturian teams. Bring all those connections in. Feeling them in the room with you, bringing you blessings, guiding you, sending you love, light, and support, and being there with you, creating your safe container in your own room. We're all in a safe container in this Facebook and Instagram container, daily live, and on the replay. We're in this safe container and being in this safe place, doing this beautiful work together. And now asking your angels to go into the golden sun above your head and to pour in from the cup of source light, energy coming in, this beautiful golden white light of source flowing into your physical body, your energy bodies, your aura, your auric container, and your physical environmental space container. Just feeling it all flowing in, flowing into your chakras, and seeing the melding of this energy into this single stream of energy of higher self, Mother Earth, and source energy becoming one, and creating that beautiful energy through your physical body, your energy bodies, your aura, your auric system, and auric container, and your physical environmental space container. And now flowing this beautiful energy into your zero field, which is located behind your navel and along your hara line, taking this energy now from the higher heart chakra and zoning it into that zero field and flooding it through your body now as your bodhisattva energy coming through, as all this energy becomes neutralized in the neutral zone, the zero field, flooding your system now from your feet, the toes, soles, and heels of your feet into your ankles, into your legs, into your perineum, into your lower torso, into your hips and buttocks, into your sexual organs, your vulva, your testes, to your penis, to your vagina, moving up your front torso and your back, moving into the neck and into the shoulders with this bodhisattva neutral energy, moving into your shoulders, your arms, to your hands, to your fingers and fingertips, thumbs and thumb tips, moving into the neck, into the back of the head, into the front of the head, moving into the brain, the neocortex, the mammalian brain, your reptilian brain, moving into your amygdala with this bodhisattva energy, moving into your limbic system, moving into your hippocampus, moving into your central nervous system, your parasympathetic nervous system, your autonomic nervous system, moving into your prana and your chakras throughout your body, moving into your organ systems, your tissue matrix, moving into your cells, your cellular systems, your cellular membranes, moving to all the systems in the body, moving into your lymphatic system, moving in through your blood system, moving in through your endocrine system, opening up your pineal gland, opening up your pituitary gland, moving into all your glandular systems, moving into the thyroid, the parathyroid, moving in through all the glands, because I'm at this moment forgetting all their names, but moving in through all your glandular systems, moving into all the cells of your body, feeling it, feeling the bodhisattva energy moving through. From the heart chakra now, allowing the heart chakra to send through all this bodhisattva energy into your energy bodies, bringing you into the neutral zone, the zero field in your energy bodies, bringing this bodhisattva energy through the heart chakra into your aura, into your auric container, bringing the bodhisattva energy from your heart chakra into your physical environmental space, to and through the edges of that physical environmental space, 25 feet all around you in circumference, from your universal star above your head to the earth star below your feet, 25 feet all around you in depth, volume, circumference, and diameter. Allowing the Bhakti and the Shakti to come through. Floating in this energy. Opening up your heart. Bringing your ego and your creation energy into the heart. Asking Archangel Metatron to come in now and balance your divine masculine and divine feminine and all the ages of you. Asking Metatron to take his Margava through all of the chakras in your body, balancing them to the proper speed spin in the proper direction for your body, with this neutral bodhisattva energy moving through and allowing for more balance, for more connection. Balancing your prana system. Bringing the energy through your endocrine system. Opening your heart to gratitude and love. Unconditional love for you, for yourself, for your higher self, for your connection with Source and Mother Earth. Unconditional love for your intuition to bring in all the messages from your guides and your guardians and from all your teams that work with you. Opening up to that and allowing your bloodstream to be cleared out from the DHEA that's created in your brain to now sending it out into the bloodstream to dissolve any excess cortisol and adrenaline in your system, bringing you to full balance and seeing Metatron bringing your body into balance. Your organs, your organ systems, and all the systems of your body coming into balance. Your circulation coming into balance. Releasing stress from the body. Releasing any aches and pains in the body. Bringing up your immunity in the body. Continuing deep breaths to allow this balance even more so in the body naturally with the oxygen. And now asking Metatron to balance your energy bodies, your aura, your auric container, and your personal environmental space container. Where now we can say, I am balanced, aligned, and coherent to the zero field in my physical body, my energy bodies, my aura, my auric system and container, and my physical environmental space. Feeling this throughout your body, feeling the bodhisattva energy just moving through your container, your physical body, being in this space of higher frequency, feeling that new version of you, jumping up to that new version of you that allows for you to choose differently. Bringing you to a new space and place where you can see all those things and all those seeds of attraction that you requested coming in for you. Allowing this being of you to be. And now we're saying thank you. Thank you to Source. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to your higher self. Thank you to all the ages of you and your divine masculine and divine feminine coming together in the heart and being balanced. Saying thank you to all the teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters. Saying thank you to all the elementals who work with us. Saying thank you to our teams of sound, vibration, frequency, light, energy. Saying thank you to all our teams, Starseed teams, galactic teams, Divine Spirit Council teams, teams from Sirius, teams from the Pleiades, the Arcturians. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We are grateful. We integrate all of these beneficial upgrades and beautiful intentions throughout all our day, in all levels of our awareness, for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, prosperity, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki, Amen. So be it, and so it is. So some of you may want to stay in this energy. Some of you might still be at work and need to drive home. So I would ask you, for those of you who are still in the space of work and need to come home, to please come back into your bodies as I am coming back into mine. And let's all come back together. And those of you who are in a safe space and don't need to move and don't need to drive and don't need to come back home, you can stay in this energy and just rest and release and have a nap and allow yourself to be in ease and comfort. However, those of you who need to come back, I'm going to request you to please come back now, especially if you're at work, especially if you need to drive in the next few minutes. I would like you to please come back into the room that you're in, wiggling your fingers and toes, bringing yourself back into your body, feeling your energy flowing internally in all your systems, feeling whole in your body, wholly in your body, meaning completely, the WHOLLY, fully in your body. Taking some deep breaths and allowing yourself to sit up if you need to. If you've been lying back, you may want to sit up, shoulders to the side. Taking some deep breaths. Coming back in. And when you're ready, opening your eyes and being completely coherent and aligned and in your body, in this day, in where you are, in the room that you're in, seeing yourself completely in you as the being that you be. And I will say, all of my energy back to me, all of your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. I am sovereign in my energy. You are sovereign in your energy, and we are disconnected. And we went into a deep meditation because tomorrow or even this evening, depending on where you are, if you're in Pacific time, I believe the full moon is coming in at 9:07. And for the Eastern time, the new moon, the full moon, the blue moon is coming in at 12:07 a.m. And Mountain time and Central time, it's all going to work out in there. Mountain time is 2 hours behind, and Central time is 1 hour off of Eastern time. So be aware of that. Just wanted to let you guys know that also time change is coming in on Saturday at 2 a.m. So there is that as well. All things are happening. And tomorrow, of course, is Halloween. I'll be doing a daily live tomorrow. And it's the full moon. So I finally got it right. So the reason for the meditation is that there were lots of signals of things getting crossed, haywire things, lots of energy moving through. So wanted you to release anything before you started the weekend and to be in a peaceful mode, going home to your house and to your family or to your weekend in a peaceful, harmonic, good energy to start your weekend. And tomorrow we'll be working with the Black ZenTube for sure because it is the full moon. So the Black ZenTube actually helps a lot more with deep releases. So I really like to do that with you guys tomorrow. And I'm not setting any intentions for when the daily live will happen tomorrow, because it's just as it's flowing, it's going to happen for me. So I'm hoping to do it around 11. And my intention is to wake up early because I've gotten into this new method of waking up early, doing my meditations, being in that, and allowing the rest of the day to happen as it will. So just letting you know what's happening for me and what I've set for myself so that you kind of know what's going to happen, especially with tomorrow, because Mercury is coming back from retrograde on November 3rd. So I want the releases that we can have to be strong releases and help with the clearing so we can have some really good energy when Mercury comes back and goes direct. All right. So there's a lot of energy movement, even in the weekend and in the next couple of days before Mercury goes direct. So, and I think I did on my on the Facebook business site, I put up something about the November energies from Vicky Howie, who's her website is chakraboosters.com. And she has some really cool insight about the divine feminine and working with the feminine energies that are still there even now. And working in that divine feminine is really going to help us in this month where Mars has been blocked, you know. So it's just been really helpful for me to actually work through the feminine with the energies. So I don't know if that's working for you as well, but just some insight there, and you may want to see that. So I did place that on the site, so you can go look at that. And it's at Sandhya Sound in Facebook. Okay. So wishing you all a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you tomorrow on the Daily Live, and get ready to clear. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.